Hello dear Scorpios, this is your reading for full moon 2021 of April 26th. Let's see what the full moon has to say about you. There are some guardian angel messages in this. The deck I'm using is kept in the video itself, as you can see. It's a beautiful messages contains beautiful messages. Beautiful deck, colorful deck. It's designed for each one of us according to each one of our situations. And if most of your signs, if your sun, moon, rising sign is Scorpio, then most of you will resonate with this, and most of you should take these messages as your guiding principles around the full moon, right? So this orange is the angel of change, which is looking very bright, and I think I want to pick that one. The angel of contrast. Okay, so you have got the angel of contrast and the angel of change. So definitely you are afraid of what's going outside, and that's why the angels are here to help you. You are afraid of the changes that are happening in the environment. You are afraid of the pandemic. You are afraid of the current situation, of the lack of oxygen in your country, of people not being able to come back to a life of normalcy, you know, that we have been missing since the beginning of 2020. So when all this happened, so you are kind of missing it, and you are kind of scared of it, scared of, oh my god, what's gonna happen next, oh my god, how am I gonna deal with this situation? But don't you worry, Scorpios, you dealt with it last year also by keeping yourself safe and taking all the required precautions, staying away from people at all costs, not going out, not touching things, you know, wearing a mask and whatever that is needed. So this time too shall pass, and you need not worry, just stay positive. And I'm telling to all my signs, let's see what the angel of change and angel of contrast has to say for you. So the angel of contrast is asking you, are you afraid of the dark or of the unknown, right? Do you feel vulnerable? You feel vulnerable because you think this might affect you too. Maybe you are not vaccinated for whatever reasons. I know that a lot of elderly people are also not vaccinated because of their health issues, or just general advice that their doctors have told them. So all the more reasons why you should be keeping safe, but do not feel scared. There is always darkness within light, this angel is telling you. Darkness accentuates brightness to clearly see situations, people, and circumstances. Embrace the darkness to enhance the clarity in your life, right? Maybe in your personal life, or maybe work wise, you're feeling that, oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna do, right? Maybe you have a long distance relationship, and you're not able to meet your partner, and you are like you feel darkness because you feel like, I am never going to meet that person, how is this even going to work for me, right? And right now, if you don't have a job, or you're facing job problems, you are in the dark because you're like, am I ever going to get a job if the situation doesn't improve? You know, if there is recession, what am I even going to do? How am I supposed to feed my families? All sorts of things are coming to your mind, right? The positive affirmation that you need to speak around the full moon, Scorpios, is, I courageously see through the darkness of adversity to make positive changes that light up my life. So you have to shift your focus from the negative to the positive. I know there is light at the end of the tunnel. You have to tell this to yourself. I see myself, situations, and others clearly, and I participate in the transformation of negative to positive. This is beautiful. That's what your angel of contrast is telling you. Because definitely you are thinking a lot of negative thoughts in your mind, and you need to shift your focus. You need to transform from that negativity to the positivity. I know it's gonna be a little harder around this time, but I know you can do it. You have done it before. You have done it in 2020. You can do it now, right? Now the angel of change is asking you, are you experiencing major changes that are challenging your emotional state? Of course you are. We all are. It says, trust in the process of change and honor your feelings. Like I gave you the example of you not being able to meet your partner or your parents, or not being able to find a suitable job for yourself. So these are the changes which are actually challenging your emotional state, because these are the changes which are not in your control. So that's why when things are not in our control, it kind of challenges our emotional state and makes us feel all kind of stupid things. It says that you have to trust in the process of change and honor your feelings. Take the time to balance energy. Pay particular attention to the health of your nerves, bones, and muscles. So, you might be feeling weak because you're taking a lot of stress about your personal life and your professional life and about the world in general, about what we are going through right now. So, you have to stop feeling that way and you have to give positivity. You have to change your thoughts, right? Otherwise, it's only going to affect your health, as it shows Scorpios, your muscles, your bones, and your nerves. Take proper care of that. Try and maintain a strong immunity, okay? And trust in the process of change. We can't help it. If you're not able to meet your partner, you think that relationship is going to end. If it's, listen to me, if it's going to end, it's going to end, irrespective of the pandemic, if irrespective of your job, irrespective of your status, irrespective of anything in this world, right? And if it's meant to be, no matter how far you are, no matter you lose your job, no matter if you become, you feel the most ugliest of yourself, you will still find that person, okay? So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about that job you didn't get because of the pandemic. Maybe you got the job call and suddenly the lockdown happened and now you're again stuck and you don't have that job and you're thinking, oh my god, why me, and why this bad luck with me, right? So if that job was meant for you, it would have come your way. If that person was meant for you, he would have stayed or she would have stayed, right? And if you're supposed to go through this change of lifestyle or sickness, then there's, I know that it's not right whatever is happening in the world right now, but maybe you will become more careful with your life and with the life of your loved ones, and maybe you will just start paying attention to your loved ones and yourself more than anything else. So this is the angel of change, and the positive affirmation that it's telling you is, I embrace the changes occurring in my life. I recognize that all changes bring better life situations, whatever those changes may be. Right now, you might not be able to see life clearly, right? I am grateful that the energy flowing through me is in balance. I have a strong physical structure. All parts of my body feel good. So you have to make these affirmations if you're feeling low, if you're feeling sick, or there's any kind of problem. I hope you guys are safe, but Scorpios, you have to say these affirmations around the full moon to give you the maximum benefits, because that's why the angels have come into picture, right? So you really have to take care of yourself and think positive around this time. It's, I think, needed for, from all of us. It's needed, not just your sign, from all the signs, because everybody must be going through something or the other. So the angels have come into picture. Say these, help yourself, help the world, heal as well, right? So this was your reading for full moon, April 26, 2021. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.